rejoinder affidavit, supplementary counter affidavit, as well as balance sheet. It has further marketing corporation liability in favor demand draft alleged. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In pursuance of the notice issued by this court on 14/7/2000, the respondent-company has filed a counter affidavit of Sri Gyan Mitra on 3/4/2001. A rejoinder affidavit of Sri Om Agrawal was filed on 1/4/2000. A supplementary counter-affidavit has also been filed. On 11/7/2001, the respondent-company was granted opportunity of filing the accounts of the applicant-company, maintained with the respondent-company as well as the last audited balance sheet. The matter was listed again on 13/7/2000 and further time was granted to comply with the order. Today, the matter was taken up in revised list. No one appears for the respondent-company. I have heard Sri J.K. Agrawal, LB Marketing Corporation is partnership working as C&B agent and dealer of the respondent-company for marketing its products. A security of rupees 10 lakhs was deposited bearing 15% interest by the applicant for the respondent-company. It is alleged that the agency was discontinued and on the date of its engagement a sum of rupees 27,82,652 was the balance to be paid to the applicant-company. It has further been alleged in para 13 of the petition that respondent-company at no stage disputed this liability and that in fact the liability was acknowledged on the confirmation of account on 23/3/1998, and thereafter on 11/12/1998, a request was made by the respondent-company that due to certain constraints that are unable to make the payment at that time with the assurance that the demand draft shall be sent against outstanding balance on 6/1/1999, and in case the respondent-company is unable to send the demand draft, an account payee, check shall be sent. Thereafter, a check of rupees 55,000 dated 13/3/1999 was sent as part payment drawn in favor of Banaras State Bank Limited. Another check dated 11/3/1999 of rupees 1 lakh was drawn on the Central Bank of India, Muttiganj, Allahabad. Both the checks returned unpaid by the bank with the remarks payment stopped by the drawer. A third check for rupees 16 lakhs was also issued but could not be realized on account of stop payment. Statutory notice under section 434 was sent to which no reply was received. Para. In the counter-affidavit, the respondent company has also taken a stand that the accounts between the applicant-company and the respondent-company has not been reconciled. They disputed the liability of interest and have made a statement that the claims of the applicant-company are highly excessive as substantial amount has to be recovered after reconciling the account. It has also been alleged that the respondent-company has to recover about rupees 4 lakhs towards the purchase of car and some other amounts are also to be paid. Para. The court finds that the defense is not only vague but also has been put up without substantiating it by the company accounts of the applicant, maintained by the respondent-company. On the facts of the case, the court is not satisfied that the defense is bona fide, and thus prima facie, it appears that the company is deliberately avoiding, and that it is unable to pay its dues.